All right, guys, this is part 2 of putting in the Thursday Aspen pool. We got Pete Wine Pools doing a really good job so far. This is the result after day 1. Dig day is what they call it. As you can see, they've got the hole dug. We did have one little mishap that we didn't realize until next day when the sprinklers came on. We thought we had everything capped off, but apparently right here there was a 1-inch main line that we had to go back and cap back there. And as you can see, it pumped quite a bit of water down into the hole, so we're gonna have to get that rectified. It looks like they already got a pump in the end of it, ready to pump it all out. But as you can see, they've already got the rock in the bottom. I'm sure they'll come back and put a little bit more and get all that done. I don't know all the details of it. I'm not a pool builder, but you can see how it's coming. At the end of this video, if you'll stay tuned, you'll be able to see some actual video clips of when they were doing all this digging, what it looked like beforehand, that kind of thing. Over here's the ditch they're using to get all the pipes from where the equipment's going to be. I had them hide it around their own side of the house so that it's not so noticeable. Hopefully it won't be too loud either when you're sitting out here by the pool. Back over there on that side is where the eventual pavilion will be. They're going to pour a 16 by 16 slab for us while they're doing the rest of the concrete work. But you can see where it's going. Now, the problem is, over the last couple months, we're kind of in a severe drought. And you would know, as soon as we decide to dig the hole and put the pool in, next 5 days between now and about Tuesday, they're talking about anywhere from 4 to 10 inches of rain. So I'm sure that's gonna be something they gotta deal with. But there, look, these guys are total professionals. I have full confidence in them. They're gonna get the job done. I'm just waiting to see how the final product turns out. Can't wait to see the concrete start going in. Supposedly they're supposed to set the pool tomorrow. They said it's coming from Indiana. Takes about a 2-day drive on the truck to get it down here. So they'll set the pool tomorrow, hopefully, if weather permits, and we'll come back and show you part 3. Make sure you click like and subscribe. That way you can go back and see part 1 and you can follow the progress. Before long, hopefully we'll be swimming.
And this is the end of day 1. All of this is gone. And there she is.